I feel like this might be the last stream because uh okay, today is July 12th, and what did I do yesterday? I did lesson 14, completed lesson 15. Did I do the sentence? Yeah, I did. Okay, with exercises 15 to 15A to F. And now it is July 12th, 2025, Saturday. Well, no, it is what it is. I am now here. All right. So I finished all of this. Um, okay. Yeah, I made that one. And I have to finish the project. Okay. This is, we're gonna quickly go live here. And then now it's there. Let me go back. And then now 16 is, okay, I'm gonna go here and I'll go 16 finishing the project. Finishing, okay, rename it, just finish the project. Finish the project. There. And I will copy everything that I, one, wait, that's one, two, three, four, then five. Then over here, boom. Oh wait, no, I forgot to control C. So one, two, three, four, five. Control C, Control V. There we go. So let me collapse this folder, expand this folder, and now I'm here. Okay. All right, now I have styles. I have YouTube HTML. This is what it is. This is how it is so far. I just have to follow everything that he's doing. Okay, where is my uh? Okay, there's my notebook. I need to get another pen. Luckily, I have one here. Uh, let's do July. Okay, July. This is the first day that I did not mistakenly write June 2025, Saturday. Okay. I'm committing myself to powering through the rest of this tutorial. So let's do that. Did you, okay. Finish the project. The project with YouTube clone. And then finish sidebar. Ugh. Ugh. All right, let's do this. Thanks. Okay, finish the sidebar, resize videos, and then apply tooltips. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yay. Sidebar is over here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Okay, I downloaded everything. Okay. So make sure there's these images inside that. So I think The pattern doesn't work for some reason. Maybe it's syntax. Oh, padding left, padding right. My bad. There we go. Yep. tooltip when Good lag. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell, y'all? Um, voice search button tooltip. I mean, what? Voice search button hover. Okay. Well, does it not work? Tooltip. Voice search button. Why it not work? Why it no work? Okay, there. Well, search button tooltip. Okay, voice search button. Okay, well now it works. White space, no wrap. What else did I? Okay, now it works. Okay. Okay. And now centered tooltip is there. Uh, I'm tired. Okay. Add the remaining tooltips in the header, make the video title link to the actual video, turn the thumbnails job butters to links. Everything that we learned. Okay. Let me write this down. 16 has 16D. Okay, 16D is 4 and then 100. Okay. Oh, should I just power through it? I'm just gonna watch the rest and I'll go back. I'll watch the rest, I'll take a break, and I'll go back and do the work. Exercises. Says make finish the rest of the tooltips. Apply links. Add tooltips tips to channel. Woo, okay.
In the previous lesson,
Okay. Okay. So more 17 more CSS features. Okay, it talks about responsive design now. Design.
making the website.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh. Mhm. Media query response. Oh, okay. Use inspect to check screen size. Okay.
Screen size.
Okay. I've already been doing like shorthand property. Uh-huh. Okay, inheritance. Okay. Alright. Saturday. Saturday.
Example. We're going to use this property. Okay.
Uh-huh. Huh. Putting underline in grid underlines all paragraphs in grid. Okay.
We're kind of lost. Let's just make it.
Mm. But, uh-huh. Mm. Uh-huh. Just, just, just apply just style to the whole body. Remove style from P P in general.css.
Click remove this.
Hmm. High priority from CSS specificity. Okay. Yeah. Go into go into check. Okay. Okay. Semantic elements. I have genuinely never heard of that before. For semantic elements. Okay, semantic elements, div, similar, similar to div, but have meaning to screen readers, browsers, renderers? Is that what you call it? I don't care. But okay. Example. Examples. Uh, there is nav. There is header. Oh shit! Why did I mute it?
nav element because
Nav.
besides one of
Nav. Set. Set. YouTube sidebar to nav. So okay. Main. Yeah. Main. Contain. Main. The whole grid in here. Section.
no content. Let's save that.
Change. Change the element div of video grid.
Let's put the section.
Wait, what was it? Okay, yeah, class video grid. Dot video grid. Okay. Under search engine. Okay. July. Oh, that is so satisfying. I just allocated the right amount of pages for all of my HTML and CSS stuff, and I predicted where it will end. So that's where I continue off my notes for my Django tutorial project. So that's pretty nice.
This is a code that
Mhm. Right. Simply. Mhm. Hmm. Okay. It's going up.
Again,
Uh-huh. Wait, what? I wasn't paying attention. Sizes. Okay. Okay. 17A, 17B, 17C. Okay. Adjust font size. What
to
17B is
here's a problem.
17B. Add the last six videos. 17C. Use responsive design. Extended. Okay. Create extended with pages. Create responsive. Expanded sidebar. Okay. And then 17D. What the hell? Okay. 17 Okay. 17D, 17E, 17EF, 17G. Recreate, re, recreate these web sites. 17D, 17E, 17F, 17G. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and then YouTube video page. Okay. I guess for these extra, for the last three, okay, never mind. I'll just focus on finishing up the project, and then like over here, I'm just going to add everything, and then whatever was the last exercises, I think. So I'm just gonna do that, and I'm just gonna complete, and I'm gonna call it complete. The rest of the bonus exercises, I'm just going to try to do it like off stream, because you know it's quite demanding, honestly. Uh, 17 like demands a lot of like responsive design and all that stuff. It's actually really nice though. That uh, yeah, I might need to. Should I? Should I really? I can try to do lesson 17 tomorrow up until exercise 17C. 17D, E, F, and G is is just extra, is all like, yeah, uh, extra exercises. Maybe I can stream that, just for the sake of practice. Um, how much time do I have left? Okay. Do I have the energy to complete it? Ah, fine. I'll do it. I'll do it if I have to. Whatever, fine. Let's do this. Let's do this. Wait, let me. Okay, he needs it. Okay, let's just keep following what this guy's doing. Let me just up my brightness a bit, just so I can see better. Because the sun's pretty bright right now. Um, okay, let's do this. So let's create. Dude, I'm so tired. Um, okay, our right section is over here. And then under here is a div, and I'm gonna give it a class of upload icon container. Is that right? Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. As the text create. Okay. Header. Okay, header. Okay. Okay. Next is dot upload icon contain container.
Load dash icon dash.
Okay, dot tooltip. Okay, hover tooltip. Okay, upload icon container tooltip. Why? Why? Oh, container. Yeah, it's always just a syntax error when it doesn't work. Okay, somewhere along there. Okay, container. I also made a mistake on container. There we go. Now it says create. Search with your voice. Great. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let me adjust that again. Put it here. Um, okay. Uh, some items and good.css. Okay. Add the remaining heading. The header. Okay, super.simple.dev exercises YouTube. I'm gonna just okay. How many of these have tooltips, notifications, YouTube apps? Search with your voice. Search. Okay. These are the last. Okay. These are the remaining ones. Just don't have a tooltip. Okay. There needs to be like an added tooltip when you hover over like views. One, two, three, four, five, six. Do I have enough time to do this? I mean, to be fair, it's what I'll be doing just for the next hour, and I won't be continuing to lesson 17. I should, yeah, this is where the discipline starts. You need to put in the effort so that in the long run, it it pays off.
Try on your own.
Yep. I passed. All right. How about this green box? Ah. Ah, okay. Hmm. Okay. At least I know I took all the notes that I will ever need for HTML and CSS. It's pretty cool to think how like all of these are all I need. Four exercise left. Let's go. Yolk. Yes, the yellow part of the egg. Let's go. Okay. Yeah. There's going after this, there's like the bonus exercises in CSS stuff. So it covers like what's this? Responsive design, inheritance, and then semantic elements. But I'm just gonna do that off stream. And it's too tedious, and I'm already so tired. What do you, yeah, that was so embarrassing. No, it's okay. I like yolk, you know? You know, like sometimes in baking, yeah, I mean, you bake, and yes. Uh, but I'm so tired. Yes! Yeah! She baked. Let's go. That's nice. Okay, okay. Um, okay. I want to make another dish, lol. What's your next dish gonna be? Hmm. Hmm. You're thinking about it. Okay. So far what I've made is just tooltips. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I'm done. Hmm. All right. Let's do this. So far I've done like the hover over tooltips here. Oh, so I just very loud. Yeah, me too. And then like I just have to add the tooltips here. I'm so tired. No pain, no gain. Let's go. All right. Next, upload container. I'll make another div. Make that class YouTube apps icon container container, and then I'll place you in here. It copy this. No, paste it here, and then notifications and add container. Okay. Um, div Wait, no, I'm just gonna do the class with a dot notifications icon. Oh, it already has one. I don't have to do that anymore. Wait, does it work as well for notifications? YouTube apps notifications. Okay, I can just put it in here. The div is three, the div is three. Okay. Tooltip create YouTube apps. Put it here. Uh, YouTube apps. YouTube apps. Is that all? Oh, yeah. Capital T. YouTube apps. And then another tooltip notifications. Notifications. And I save that. I go here and I just simply add it onto the list. Um, the YouTube apps icon container. And I'm gonna add uh notifications icon container. There we go. Okay. And then add that add that here. I'll put that tooltip and over here as well. That tooltip and over here is okay. I'm gonna copy these and I'm going to add here. And then I'm gonna put colon hover on both. Colon hover on both. Let me do this. And then when I go to my website, okay, search with the website. What the fuck? Why it don't work anymore? Upload. What? Why does it not work anymore? I think there's definitely like a, oh, okay, upload container. Why does it only work on notifications now? Oh, okay, I forgot to add a comma. There we go. Great, YouTube app. See, it's always a syntax error. Okay, is that all for add the remaining tooltips in the header? I am now at 97 over 100. Let's go. All right, next, make the video title a link to the actual YouTube video. You can click the YouTube videos in the final design to get the URL. Okay, this is gonna be a tedious one. Turn the video thumbnails and channel pictures into links as well. So, ah, fine. Um, here, yep, video title over here. Should I wrap it around href tag? A href. Okay. Wrap the image in an A element. That's true. So right now it doesn't really like do anything. But if I go here, okay, this is the YouTube link. I'll copy that. Href, and then I'll copy paste this inside here. Okay. And then I'll tab. Okay, shift tab. Does that work? Holy shit. That is, I mean, it does, but why it look like that? That's not nice. Wait, what if I What if instead I wrap the text inside the paragraph as a link? Okay, so I go over here, make it an A tag, with an href with the link here, and then let me take that text, put it here, and then save. Does that work? It's still, God damn it. Why does it look weird? I don't want it to look weird. Can I style it? Do I have to give it a class? Do I give that the class of video title? What if I remove this and I give this a class, class video title? Still doesn't work. I wanna, that's not good. That's not good. Um, but how do I make it a link without making it like, okay, I'm gonna, okay. Yeah, because like when you hover over it and when you click on it. So when I inspect, see, so it's both the thumbnail and the, you know what, I'll do the thing for the image. I don't care. Ba 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 da ba da ba da ba 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 ba. No, no, no. Right. So what if I wrapped it around the image? Class, video title, video grid, channel profile picture. Where's the thumb? Okay, thumbnail right here. Oh wait, no, 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 no. I copy this link. That's not even the right link. Okay, let me copy that over here. What was that again? A. An A tag, and then inside here, that's where I put my thumbnail. Does that work? Let's see. Okay. Okay, it does. So I can finish. I know how to do this one first. You can click the video titles in the final design of the URLs. But how do you make it like clickable and like uh without making it look weird? How to style A tags? They make it an href? No, you can't make it an href. It has to be an anchor tag. It makes sense. Ooh. Okay. What was the last one? Okay, the tooltips when I hover over. Create tooltips that design below. We need position flexbox hovers. Okay. And I have to know how many subscribers they all have. Ah, tedious. What time is it? Okay, I have an hour. It's fine. Let's do this. Okay. So I'll do the title later when I have to figure it out. I'll just do it for every class because like Okay. To treat the second child. A. Okay. Where's this? Okay. Okay, this is the one. A. Okay. So if I go here. Oh wait, no. There we go. There. All right. So I just have to do this one by one. Okay. Super simple dev YouTube. Next is here. I do not watch Sniper Wolf, but where is this? Okay. Over here, A tag, tab, then over here, one, two, here, and then here. Oh,
Welcome to the complete.
okay. And then go back over here, make it here. Then, okay, okay, five. Hmm. Huh. Okay, 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 okay. That counts. So I am now at 98. I really genuinely just have to figure out how to do the text thing. Um, uh, Wait, in the example, it also links to their channel. So, so over here, I also need to like wrap these with, ah, um, I'm so tired. Okay, Marcus Brownlee. What does the tooltip look like? So it's their profile pic, the name of the channel in bold, and the number of subscribers. I don't think it's that hard. Okay. Covers, transitions, and shadows. Uh, I had more than enough time to figure this out. Come on. It's okay. I will definitely pull through. Let's have to like black out, and when I wake up, it's already done. Uh, Sheesh. So here in each video, there's a channel picture and okay. It's not really part of the challenge to link it to the channel, so I'm not gonna waste my time on that. So what's this? So channel picture. Yeah, channel picture is the guy that needs like you know. So when I hover over you, it needs to be like a pointer. Ooh. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. What's up? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Okay. No. Hmm. Okay. So hover makes a okay. I have to make a tooltip channel. Okay. Where's the channel profile picture? Here. So I have to make a div shit channel tool tooltip, and I will go to video CSS. Um, so I'll put so it has a profile picture of this guy. Okay, channel tooltip. Okay, channel picture. Where's channel picture? Video info grid. So it's inside video preview, video info grid. Okay, video info grid under channel picture. There's profile picture, channel tooltip. Okay, and profile pictures under channel picture. I'm gonna do that channel picture, and I'm gonna give you a position relative. I'm gonna go over here and do position absolute. Okay, then I'm gonna go top. I'm gonna go, wait, no, top. Yeah, top is uh 20 pixels. Oh wait, I was supposed to look at it here. There we go. Top. Okay, I'm gonna put like a width and height. Background color, white, um, width 200 px, height 100 px. Okay. Background color white, absolute top 10 pixels. Left. Uh, how does it show? Okay, top is just. I don't need to put like a left. I just need to like top mode 40 pixels. Okay, so there. Over here, I need to like channel tooltip has an image and a div. A div. Channel info. Class. Class. Channel. Channel info. And this has channel name. Wait, what's this? Okay. P P Marcus Brownlee. Oh, Marquess Brownlee. Marquess Brownlee. Channel info. And P. How many subscribers does he have? Uh, 20.1 million. 20.1 M subscribers. Huh. That's interesting. We had like 15 million 3 years ago, but now he has 20. That's fair. That's quite a long time. Um, Man, 3 years ago was 2022. And this guy was already famous back in 2018 because he got mentioned in YouTube Rewind. That's weird. Okay. So far, okay, let me save that. There's the stuff. Okay. Um, I'm gonna make channel channel tooltip, display grid, display flex, I mean, display flex. Okay. You don't have to stretch yourself so much. Um, okay. But height, okay. Channel channel tooltip image. Okay, no. Dot channel tooltip dot img. Mm, height width is 50 px. Height is 50 px. Um, I will not add a width and height. I will add a padding of 5px, 10px. Um, what was that? Um, it was something about no wrap. White space. White space, no wrap. There we go. I applied it immediately. That's so cool. So there, if that's the case. maybe a bit more. Oh wait, display flex, align items, center. There we go. And then I think, wait, what else? I need to add a margin right, margin right to 5px. I feel like it's a little too big. Um, channel tooltip image. Hmm. So class channel name class sub sub count. That's fair. Thumbnail font size. Are they the same font size? They are the same. Okay, never mind. No, it's not the same font size. Channel tooltip dot channel tooltip dot channel name. Font weight bold. What was the size? Is it that much bigger? I mean, it is the right size, but okay. I'm gonna give it a bit more padding. 7px padding and 15px padding. And then width, I'm gonna make it 45. 5, I'm gonna make it 45. 45. And then I'm gonna give it like a box shadow of, what is this? Um, 0, 0. I'll give it 8px of shadow. And then RGBA this 0, 0, 0, then 0.5. It's not too dark, but whatever. Border radius, I'll give it like 5px. 5px is good, right? No? No, huh? Okay, well, maybe. Oh, wait, it's channel image margin right. I gave it a margin right of like 10. Huh. It doesn't center it for some reason. That's weird. Um, channel tooltip, align item center, justify content, space between. That way, gets pushed to the edge somehow. Didn't really do much, but it's there at least. 8px, let's make that 5px. Let's make it 0.2. Okay, there we go. Marcus boundary. And then channel tooltip, sub count. Um, color is light gray somewhere. Uh, what's this? Okay, there we go. Color, color. There. Font size. font size is like 15 px, 13. Um, Margin bottom 4 px. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Maybe more top and bottom. I'll give it like 10 px. They're much better. Okay. There. So it looks good. Now the question is, how do I how do I make it to be the hover? All right, the opacity. Opacity is 0. And then um what's this? Channel dot channel channel wait no. Profile picture. Dot profile picture hover. We make the and then we target channel tooltip opacity 1. Okay, so when I hover, wait, what channel tooltip opacity is 1? I mean, I hovered over it. Okay, whatever bot. um hmm okay, I set the opacity to 0, so which is unfortunate. But how do I? It has to be like when I profile picture hover. Uh, I'll give it like border, border 5px solid red. So it actually does something. So, okay. What about dot channel tooltip? It doesn't work. But how do I? Oh, comma. But it doesn't. How do I make it that? What? How did he do it in like? How did I do it in header again? Let me check. Header. Search bar. Place link. Search button dot tooltip. Opacity. Hover of tooltip. It has to be a parent. Has to be a parent. But it is channel picture. Fine. Channel picture dot hover. Channel picture dot hover. Okay. So opacity is 0. make this opacity 1 there. But then it also includes this, which is not good. It includes the whole thing. So it has to be like, so channel tooltip needs to be a child of the image of the container that contains the image. So fine. I'm gonna make a div called, and then I'm gonna give it a class name of profile picture container. And I am going to put this right over here, as well as here. That way, that way, okay. Brownlee, channel name, subcount, Marquez, profile picture container. So if I do this, the styles disappear. Ah, channel tooltip, profile picture container, profile picture contain. Oh wait, no. Channel tooltip. Here we go. Profile picture container. Profile picture container. And then profile picture container hover channel tooltip. That's the one. Still there. Fuck. Okay. That that is unfortunate. Channel tooltip. Uh okay. That is so hilarious though. My bad. Whoop. Let me do this. Whoop. Oh, let me do that. Whoop. Let me do this. Shift tab. My very, very bad. Um, my very condolences. So I put this over here. Here. That's where I put it. And then I get both of these. And I put it all here. Bang. Bang. There we go. So now it is in a opacity, put it on opacity 0. And then now when I hover, yeah, but it still hovers over. Container, background color, purple. Does it cover the whole thing? It don't. But why does it still, when I hover, channel tooltip. Okay, channel tooltip. I will make it, what's this? Event. Something events. None. I forgot how to do that. Events. Yes. Pointer events. There we go. Pointer events. None. There we go. Now it won't. Okay. There. So now only when it talks to there. There we go. But that's unfortunate because of like, uh, what is what is the size of the image of profile picture? Profile picture is width 36. So I'm gonna make this width 36, width 36, and I'm gonna give it a width of 100%. 100%. Shit. Pixel. Alright. Okay. With 100%. 100%. So I'm gonna give you a width of 36 pixels. There we go. And then, yeah, if we put a background color of purple again, you see, there, it's really just that. Ooh, so I have to set the same thing to the rest. Okay, okay, understandable. That, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. So I just have to set the same thing for everyone. And then what was that? It had a transition. Okay, channel tooltip, transition for everything is 0.155. There we go. So now when I do this, it shows up. Hey, let's go. The baby. Let's go. Okay. So now it's just a matter of adding profile picture container. Um, under, under channel profile picture. Channel profile picture, change this entire thing here and make it one, make it two, make it, what was this? Where am I? Right. And then make it two. Channel is Markiplier. Markiplier. And how many subs is he at? He is now at 37.7. 37.7 million subscribers. Save that. And there we go. Okay. And I just have to apply that with each and every one. Right? Yay! What time is it? Okay, now that I figured that out, I just need to do it for the rest. Um, okay. Channel picture, make it three, make it three. This is estimate per wolf, and she has had how many subscribers? She is uh 35 million subscribers. 35 million subscribers. And like save this. Better like I thought. Alright, forgot to save this. Okay, there we go. Yay, it's like a tooltip that shows up. I like that. Hmm. Could make the profile picture bigger though. Alright, so next is this one. Bang. This is Veritasium. Veritasium is currently at 18.3. 18.3. Just wanted to check here. Hello, I'm driving. Oh, really? You be careful driving while watching a stream. I'm here. Hmm. Okay, he's at 18, 13 million subscribers. Change the number in the profile picture for for okay, give it a bit more space. Save. Go back. I'll go here. Okay. Uh, we're gonna put it here. 5, 5. Yes, dojo, and then you're at 1.95, and over here. Oh wait, I feel like yeah, I pasted this on the wrong one. Let me, my bad. 4. It should be in, wait, what? Okay, okay, it's over here. It works. Good. Okay, and over here, for CS Dojo, I go to channel picture, and that's where I go. Okay, 1.95 subscribers. There. And then it shows up. There we go. And lastly, I will put here, over here, uh, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast, and then sub count. Okay, I'm gonna put the number here. This is channel 6, and then how many subscribers is Mr. Beast now at? Beast 413. 413 million subscribers. Let's go. So I hover over each one. Nice. I'll make the the profile picture. I'll make it like 40, 42 to make it, match the Okay, never mind. It was 36. 36. Hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's more or less the same thing. World is mine. Didn't multiply if I was finished. Okay, this has a responsive design to it, so you know, can't really blame me for like this. Yeah, so it's over here. I guess. Yep, that works. I am now at 99 over 100. Let's go. And literally my last one, my last task, my last exercise is figuring out how to make these link to the video without making it look weird. I just have to look it up. How to style anchor anchor tags. A. I guess I just give them like a hmm. Okay. How do I class title? I just need to do it in one and apply the same task to the rest. Okay. Um, video title. Where is video title here? Link. A. Oh, what if I just make this uh for everything, you know? So that color is black. Color visited is also black. So if I wait, no. If I do this, and then here in like how do you say this? If I make this into an anchor tag inside, uh, a, and then link the video here, uh, talking with this, might save it. There, okay. This for my, okay. We just have to wrap it in a thing. How to remove underline. How about I remove the text decoration? A link text decoration none. Well, that set it to like no. There we go. So if I go here and I go back, okay, text decoration also no there. And then I go here. What? Why? If I visit this, yeah, visit. Okay, there we go. I just have to set the text decoration to none here in video.css. And yeah, now all I have to do is turn everything into a link. And never do. I'm half crazy. Oh, for the love of you. It won't be a stylish marriage. I can't afford a carriage. Okay, well, it works now. It works. Okay, it works there, there, and there. Hehe. This is actually super cool. Yeah, okay. And it shows how many subscribers they already have. Okay. Ah. So they do this. I just have to turn everything else into a link. Right. Um, a copy paste. Okay. So if I save this, now it goes there. Okay, next. Um, next is here. Copy, and then here is an A tag. Bang. Copy. Okay. Bang. Bang. There. So now if I click here, it'll also go there. So here, next. A tag, turn this here, copy that, paste, backspace, and tab. Go here. Really? But I saved it. Okay, there we go. Next is here. Um, copy. Okay, and last, but not, okay, lastly is A. And then like here, over here, over, I'll put this here, and then, okay, and then Mr. Beast, Mr. D. What the hell? No, that was hilarious, but no. Over here in the title, A, no, the video, and then right here, anything you can fit in the circle, pay for, I wish. Then we're there. And there we go. If I click here. Let's go! I've completed it. I am now at 100 over 100. Let's go. I am so happy. Uh, this took me so long. Okay, I'll drag it a little bit here so it has space. But yo, ah, okay. I'm just gonna I'm gonna chill for a bit before I end the stream. Uh, yeah. This I've learned so much from this. The layouting and stuff, very nice. There's also like the media query stuff. It's actually in the upcoming lesson, but I decided not to go for it for now. Um, I'll do the bonus exercises later on, I guess. I'm not sure if I'm willing to do it tomorrow. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube video page. It's okay. I learned enough. I feel like I've learned more than what I need to. The rest I can just, do it myself. Really, the only thing that matters is the responsive design and the semantic elements. Inheritance is a lot easier because, it's just a matter of being familiar with which elements get affected by inheritance. And then, yeah, yeah, it's just a matter of getting used to it. Okay, so I'm good with position. I am good with Flexbox and CSS Grid. I know the basic stuff for the buttons, the transitions, the animations, the hover stuff. I have to note that down actually. The whole like the one where if you hover over it, it needs to be the parent. Um, oh, I'll make a box over here. Over movement must be a parent. All right, I've learned pretty much all that I've needed to learn for the basics of HTML and CSS. I now have full freedom to make whatever kind of layout and UI that I want, which is nice. It's pretty weird how like I can condense all of what I learned in the past 2 weeks in just a couple pages. But it's fine. These 2 weeks have been a really nice learning experience. Uh, I guess I'll start like making a lot of basic websites. I'll ask ChatGPT to prompt me to tell me like what websites to build. I'll try to learn the templating system for like uh you know what's this? For Django. I'll finish that one up. I'll continue it later, I think, this morning. So yeah. But for now I'll be going downstairs, I think, to eat breakfast. Whew. This is so satisfying, honestly. Ah, I'm glad this I went through with this. But I will definitely like yeah, the bonus exercises, yeah, I'll leave it to myself. I did pretty much the entire course. Mm. Okay, that's enough rambling. I also still need to study for like the civil service exam, but I also need to study for like I'll make up my priorities. It is what it is. So that yeah. Mm. It's fine. I'm being hardworking here, right? Okay, it's good. I now know most of everything I need to know. I just have to rep it out and make a lot of sample stuff. Okay, I think this is good. 2 minutes before 8, I'll end it here. Peace.